I believe the Advantage Plus shopping campaign is really bad for most of you. It's bad for me as well. I'm gonna share the experiment I did earlier this month. I'm gonna share the results I got. And I'm gonna share why I don't think Advantage Plus is something that you should do. For some of you, Advantage Plus will work, but there is a caveat to that. And let me share my screen and let me show you. If you're on Reddit, if you're running ads this month, you know that something is very, very wrong with Facebook. A lot of people say that the Advantage Plus campaigns are not working anymore. Facebook is not targeting properly. Some people are saying they're seeing ads that are not related to them. And I truly believe that the problem is within the Advantage Plus campaigns. If you're on Reddit, you're gonna see something is very, very wrong with meta ads. A lot of people are really frustrated. They say, why? I don't understand how an ad can perform really well for one day and get 0 sales the next day. And I'm gonna show you what's happening with me. So this is Advantage Plus campaigns. It's for a product that run very, very well, maybe until February, but all of a sudden it stopped working. I used to run manual sales campaigns, but right now with the Advantage Plus campaigns, here are my stats. I spent close to $100 on ads. My ad reached 1,407 people. The frequency is 1.4 and the audience is very, very big. Why I'm getting a frequency of 1.4, I really don't know, because here I'm targeting Canada, Australia, New Zealand, UK. So it's a very, very large audience. The amount spent here is close to $100. It got me close to 2,000 impressions. And the CPM is $47, which I think is insane for countries such as Canada, Australia, New Zealand, UK, United Arab Emirates combined. It's very, very, very high. The CPC, the cost per link click, is close to $6, which is extremely, extremely high. The click-through rate is close to 1%, 0.87. And here, I'm really not satisfied with this because it is extremely important. What I think is happening here, Facebook is just not targeting the right people. Facebook is showing the same ad to people who are not likely to buy. Facebook is not showing my ads to the right people. I think there is something wrong with the algorithm. With this product, I sell this product to a niche market. My market is people who run Facebook ads. My market is people who run online businesses. So Advantage Plus shopping campaign would be much better for somebody who has a mass appeal product. Somebody who has a very, very big audience and somebody who is spending a lot of money. I would say a lot of money would be maybe 1 to 2 to 3 to 4K per day or more. If you're spending 15 to 30K per month on ads, probably Advantage Plus shopping campaign is not something that's gonna work consistently for you. So how do you set Advantage Plus shopping campaign? You click on create, you click on sales, you click on continue, and you choose the Advantage Plus shopping campaign, which is the default option. And when you do the default option with Facebook, Facebook is just spending your money without getting you any results. That's why what I want to do instead, doing Advantage Plus shopping campaign, if you sell to a niche market, if you have a very small, minimal target audience, let's say if your product is a little bit more niche, a little bit more specific. And another point I would like to make, I don't do e-commerce products. I just sell online courses. My campaigns are optimized for purchases or for leads. So what I like doing is choosing the manual sales campaign because Advantage Plus is just a waste of money. And this is something I did in April. I've tested so many Advantage Plus campaigns, and because there is something wrong with Facebook, nothing seems to work. So what I like doing is choosing the manual sales campaign and I click continue. And this is how I set my campaign. And I'm gonna show you my campaign structure. Here's my manual campaign structure. The first thing I do, I set one new campaign. So I got new manual campaign. And my campaign is optimized for my end goal. Here my end goal is purchases. In the first campaign, I run different ad sets. So the ad sets I run are interest-based ad set. So I run 1 to 5. So I run 5 to 10 interests. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm gonna show you 5 interests here, right? So I'm running 5 interests. Those interests are different. I don't do interest stacking. I don't do anything crazy, just one interest per ad set. And this is for my manual campaign, 3, 4, 5. In each interest, I usually have 3 to 5 ads. So I have ad 1. So let's say I have 4 ads. And I have this across all my ad accounts. So this is one of the campaigns I'm gonna test. If some interest is not working, I'm just gonna turn it off and I'm gonna create another ad set with a different interest. The budget I spend on the whole campaign here would be somewhere between $50 and $200. And this is how I do it. This is the manual campaign setup I'll do, but this is not the whole picture, because what I like doing as well, this would be setting another manual campaign, and here instead of interests, I target lookalikes. So again, 5 lookalikes, maybe 3 to 5 lookalikes, but I try to create a lookalike of my end goal. So if my end goal is purchases, I do sales. If my end goal is leads, I do a lookalike of the leads campaign. So this is the first manual campaign, 5 interest. The second manual campaign, 5 lookalikes. And usually what I do a remarketing campaign. So I'm just do remarketing, and in my remarketing campaign I target people who visited my sales page, my landing page, etc, etc. I usually here I have 3 ad sets. So let me copy this. So in my warm campaign, I target people who engage with my Facebook and my Instagram. I target people who visited my website, and I target people who visit my landing page, sales page, the page that I'm sending the actual traffic. So I'm gonna call this page end goal landing page. When it comes to budgeting, here I said I'm gonna spend somewhere between, let's say on the first campaign, I'm gonna test a budget. If this is a brand new ad account, I'm gonna do 50 to 200. The lookalike audience, I'm gonna do again 50 to 200. And with the warm campaign, I'm gonna do 20 to 30% of the budget of the cold campaign. And this is how I structure my campaigns to avoid burning money on ads. This is what I do not to do Advantage Plus, because right now Facebook is pushing Advantage Plus, but Advantage Plus is not working for me and I'm doing niche markets. So I try to avoid Advantage Plus. There is a situation where I'm gonna do Advantage Plus, and this situation will be when I have a lot of data. For example, if my ad account is getting 200 to 300 conversions per month, maybe more, I'll do Advantage Plus campaign, because when you do Advantage Plus campaigns, you don't have any control. The only thing you can change on the Advantage Plus campaign is changing the creative. So you're gonna see a lot of people saying your creative sucks, there is something wrong with your creative. However, this is not the point. The point is that if you do a niche market, your creative doesn't suck. Your creative doesn't suck. Pretty much Facebook is targeting the wrong people. This is what's wrong with Advantage Plus shopping campaign. And they want to do Facebook ads to be very easy to use, but it's not working for us, the niche marketers. Mark Zuckerberg, please do something about it. Please do something about it. The e-com guys who do, I don't know, 50K per day on ads, go ahead, use Advantage Plus. But if you sell to a niche market, you need to burn a lot of money to hit your target audience through Advantage Plus, so you can help Facebook target the right people with the manual sales campaigns. And this is the structure I suggest you use. Manual campaign targeting interest, manual campaign targeting lookalikes, and remarketing with 20 to 30% of the cold traffic budget, right? So I'm gonna name it remarketing. My name is Niko. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Watch my videos in order. I don't like making fancy videos. If you wanna get really good with Facebook ads, check out my online course, the Targeting Academy, because the Targeting Academy provides solution to the Advantage Plus campaigns. So I'm helping niche marketers, people who run niche businesses, people who sell to a small audience, target the right audience. Go ahead and buy the Targeting Academy immediately. Share the Targeting Academy with all of your friends, and I'm gonna see you in some of my next videos.